Come on, that'll work. That'll work. I mean, he got all of it too. I mean, he got all of it. Yeah, we can. Yeah, we can. Oh. Okay. 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 Okay, not bad. Spawned out, but spawned out. Oh. I mean, I know my buddy's gonna watch this and say, "See, I told you," but he's right. He's right. I hate to say it. There's nothing like 17-pound test in smallmouth. Not a keeper. Not a keeper. But it'll do. Get right back in there. So to be fair, I have no idea any good spots down here. I'm just fishing. Kind of cruising. Started at the dam. I'm just kind of cruising to where if I think something looks good, I just stop, fish. If it is good, drop it in. Oh God, that looks shallow. That's real shallow. Oh. How about setting the hook like a man, Luke? Maybe that'll work. Son. Oh, I had to wiggle it and that doesn't sound right. I had to shake that. Either way, it don't sound right. I had to wiggle it in its face. Oh. Right here. There's one. There's one. There's one. There's one. There's one. Okay. 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 Don't know. Don't know. Dude, they feel slimy as heck. I'm not gonna lie at all. Struggling to find places that I really like on this pool. Not impressed. right there, that's the Motel 6. Just hoping somebody left the lights on for me. The way I see it, the old timers know what they're doing. They know where all the fish are at. And they've been up here the whole time. I have 3 years of experience. Really. Them old boys, they've been coming out every Sunday for 50 years. Got him, and I got my hook back. All right. Okay. Not good. Nothing big, but dog. Not bad, not bad. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Okay, that's a good one. That's a good one. Not bad. Ah, cool. Not bad. Not bad, huh? I mean, for the river, I guess, about average. I have no idea what this is, but if it's a smallmouth, it's huge. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's not a smallmouth. Not at all. Not a smallmouth. I couldn't be lucky if this one would come out. Oh my god. Oh god. Not a smallmouth. It is a drum. Good night. I'm not knocking catching them because they are fun. I mean, as soon as it hit the bottom, it went. I said, well, if that's a brown one, it's a big one. It wasn't a brown.